If ever you've enjoyed the rich goodness of cold smoked salmon over cream cheese on a bagel and wondered, how do they do that? Today we're here to show you. We will walk you through the curing and cold smoking process that creates that incredibly flavorful cold smoked salmon. Don't forget to subscribe for a new video dropping every week. Now let's get started.
Delicious.
In a bowl, stir together 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of sugar and a tablespoon of black pepper until thoroughly combined. On a work surface, sprinkle about half of the salt mixture all over and rub in. Rub the remaining salt mixture all over the top and sides of the salmon. Cover with plastic, then top with a weight in a baking pan using some rocks or cans of beans, then place in refrigerator and allow to cure for 2 days. Remove the salmon from the refrigerator, rinse under cold water and pat dry with paper towels. Allow to sit at room temperature on the counter for 1 hour. Place the salmon onto a baking pan. Fill another baking pan with ice and place the baking pan with the salmon over the ice. When ready to cook, set the temperature to 180 and preheat for 15 minutes. For optimal flavor, use super smoke if available. Place on the grill and smoke for 30 minutes. Remove from the grill and slice thin. Serve with capers, red onion, dill, cream cheese, and lemon. Enjoy!